How to check iPhone IMEI number on Google. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Chrome browser on your phone. The Google Chrome app on iPhone allows users to make Chrome their default browser on iPhone, which enables syncing Google account data like bookmarks and passwords across devices. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in account.apple.com. On this page, scroll down and tap on Sign In. Tap on Sign In again to sign into your Apple account. Here, tap on the downwards arrow and go to Devices. Over here, you can view details for the devices associated with your account. Tap on your device. Scroll down to the About section. You can now view the IMEI number of your phone. Following these steps, you can easily check iPhone IMEI number on Google. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.